Honey, please don't act like you didn't know what B-Love said. Welcome to Sister FEFE channel, where you are welcome here. Y'all look at Sister FEFE face. She done got herself in some mess. Hey guys, it's Sister FEFE. Guys, Sister FEFE has decided to join the train. No, join the train. That's what I mean. Shout out to Bloveslife encouraging us to do the challenge. And the challenge, it is to see if we can eat 20 pieces of chicken. So do y'all think Sister FEFE gonna be able to eat 20 pieces of chicken? Honey, you know. We don't know. Let's see. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get our prayer going so we can get the chopping on this chicken. Lord, you know Sister FEFE ain't about to do a thing but help her through these 2 pieces she finna eat. Amen. Blessings. Amen, guys. Y'all, I try to get my husband to do this challenge for me, and he wouldn't do it. He would not do it. So I was like, well, all right, Virgil, bump it. I'll do it. I'll try to do it myself. Yes, guys, it is 20 legs. I'm gonna be honest, B-Love, I watched your whole video. You had me cracking up laughing, girl. But I really was trying to watch your video in its entirety, hoping and praying you wouldn't say that we could not have the little mini chicken legs. And you be like, nah, don't y'all cheat. Don't y'all be cheating. Coming up with these little baby wings. I was like, oh, crap. Oh, man. Well, that's out the door. So guess what, B-Love? I'm going to go ahead on and get it in. Because you was not playing. Girl, you ate like 16 legs. So I applaud you. And we'll see how many I can do or what I can do. But I got my chicken, guys, from Lee's Chicken. If you from Indiana or near Indiana, you know about that Lee's Chicken, y'all. That's they sauce. People around here love Lee's Chicken. So this will be my first time trying this sauce. And this is the spicy pepper. It's called Lee's Spicy Pepper. I have never tried that before. And I have the green Tabasco sauce, as well as my favorite hot sauce. And that's that Louisiana. And then I got me some ranch. All right. And what I have to drink, guys, I have me a large chicken fillet. Yes, guys. I got really full of ice. That's why I purchased that. But I pray everybody day went well today. My day went well. I was able to get off work just a tad earlier, but I still had work to do, and I still have work to do. I went and got my oil change. When I got my oil change, and what else? I went and picked up this chicken from Lee's. And then I just came in and sat down to prepare for this video. But shout out to the I Love Lisa Michelle show, Trey and Nene, Mo. Wait a minute, what's their name? Mo. Lord have mercy, I can't think of their name. Hopefully it comes to me. Sent and Mo. Yeah, Sent and Mo. Shout out to them. And Eat with FEFE. Shout out to Sam's World. And most definitely B-Love. So far, those are the ones that I have seen do this challenge. So shout out to you guys. for doing the challenge. Hopefully I'm in with the trend. But no, let me try this Lee's sauce off first. Okay. B-Love said we can use any sauce that we want. And I'm gonna try. Oh, I just dipped it on in there, girl, honey. B-Love did some dipping, honey. B-Love love her dip, honey. Yes, ma'am. B-Love does the dip. If you don't know about the dip, honey, you ain't watching no B-Love. Let me see what Lee's is all about. Lord, Lee, that little sauce is good. For real, y'all. Y'all gotta try Lee's. All that sauce is good, Lee. My dad named Lee. Leroy. I wonder what y'all got up in there. It's called Lee's Spicy Pepper. That's good. Y'all, I can't holler. Talk. That's good. Y'all, I'm hungry. This is my dinner. I'm so thankful unto God for everything He do, y'all. For us all. He was a good God, y'all. Lee's chicken is called Lee's famous chicken. I bought it. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I don't think they in no other state. No, I think they in Ohio. They in Ohio. They in Ohio. This is number 2, y'all. I don't have no exercise.
Since you already knew you couldn't do all that,
Can't do
girl.
all that. Put a little ranch. Put a little ranch on that. Oh. Piece of ranch chicken. I'm gonna be honest, there's some good stuff. But we love be getting it in, y'all. Go ahead and get you some. She had me cracking up. When she got full, she starts singing Nick Avocado song. I'm back home, shoop-a-doo. Oh, boy. Be like me laughing. When she gets sleepy, she acts silly like I do. That's how I do. I get laughing. I get tickled. I get laughing. But she was talking about on her channel how she get ready to officially be in Atlanta. She had talked about it earlier, a while back. about moving to Atlanta. But she officially in the park. They get ready to pack up. She was talking about she gonna get somebody to decorate the whole house. I wish I was a decorator. I probably can, don't get me wrong. So excuse me, if you're willing to hire a wannabe decorator, I'll come on down. I like, wait a minute, I don't know who it is. Knowing it probably might have been Martin being funny, but you could hire me for the down low. You know, I give you a real good price. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hire me. I'll be ready to go, B. My husband ain't gonna be more probably want me to be gone. But anyway, guys, let's try this hot sauce out. I had never put this on chicken. Y'all. I'm getting full already. I don't know why I put all that hot sauce on this chicken. Y'all, I'm getting full already. Y'all see that green? Can y'all see that? That green hot sauce on there. I believe this is gonna be an epic fail. Y'all already knew. I know everybody probably had some faith in me. Y'all probably felt like I can do it. I'm sorry. But I didn't do it. I didn't do it. But I got you two bones. And they were clean to the bone. Y'all don't be mad with me. Promise me y'all gonna love Sister FEFE in spite of she couldn't get all this chicken in. I tried. Shout out to everybody that I mentioned from the beginning. Y'all rock. Y'all are awesome. You hear me? Sister FEFE couldn't do it. So, you know what I'm gonna do though? Cause this chicken ain't going to waste. If y'all, you know, cause you might have somebody out there thinking she done waste all that chicken. She eat but 2 pieces. And well, I had 2 pieces in the top of the skin, a little skin. So, but I got some news for you. Sister FEFE is gonna make some chicken salad. How about that? Woo! I had already planned this out. Chicken salad it will be. B-Love say, do your best, okay? Do your best. She didn't eat the whole 20. She got the 16. And she was like, see if you can beat her time. And B-Love, I did this for you. I knew I was going to struggle. But I just wanted to be a part of the trip. The road trip with the... Well, how would I say? A road trip with the... Y'all. I just want to be a part of the road trip everybody's taking. I just want to be a part of it. So, thank you so much for creating this challenge. Beloved, thank you so much for being awesome. And thank you so much, Beloved, for how you encourage us as small YouTubers, and how you talked about uh, enjoying getting in the live with us, the smaller YouTubers and stuff like that. And you just talking about you not with that negativity and stuff like that. And I'm with you. I'm with you. I mean, I'm not. I don't have time for the negativity. We're here to grow. We're trying to grow together. We're trying to learn together. Uh, we're following different people trend, hoping and praying that one day we will all go viral, and the ones that have, shout out to y'all. I mean, it's sad that we fight one another. You know what I mean? It's like people can't be happy with you if you become famous. If you poor, you too poor, they're mad with you or they'll talk about you. If you're middle class, they'll talk. I mean, honey, people gonna talk. They're gonna talk. They're gonna talk. But anyway, nevertheless, God is good anyway. And like B-Love said, no matter what people may think, she's been led by God. God is leading her and her family. And that's how you have to, really serve God for yourself. You serve him for yourself. Because if you try to, go off of what somebody else say or do, then it may not even work. But don't worry about it. Be encouraged. And this is the epic fail. And I want to say thank you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification button if you're not a part of the family. Even if you're a part of the family, still hit the like button. Make sure you comment. I appreciate you guys. Y'all mean the world to me. The world to me. All right? But I'm out. All right? I got 2 for you. All right? Blessings.